Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish food recipes. In this episode, we are going to make a delicious, colorful pasta salad using beetroot. It's very easy to make with the ingredients you have on hand, so let's get started. Here I have a medium-sized beetroot. I washed it. First I'm going to peel and cut it in four. I'm going to cook it in enough water until it is soft. We had a stormy weather that day that I had to turn the camera and record some of the beauty. Okay, here is our beetroot cooked softly. You can check it with knife. I'm gonna drain it now. And using the same water, I'm gonna cook my pasta in it. I have 1 cup of orzo pasta. Just stir a little and add about half teaspoon salt and cook on low-medium heat. While my pasta is cooking, I'm gonna cut the beetroot in very small cubes. Checking my pasta, it is still cooking. As a fresh herb, I'm gonna chop some parsley. You can add all kinds of fresh greens as you like. And here I have some pickles. I'm gonna cube them again as I did with the beetroot in small pieces. I'm checking my pasta frequently because I don't want to overcook it, just slightly more. And meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare my corn. You can use canned or frozen cooked corn too. But when I have it on the market, I prefer to use it from the whole corn. Okay, my orzo pasta is cooked and has a beautiful color from the beetroot. So I can drain it now. And begin to mix everything in a big bowl. I'm gonna season my salad with some hot red pepper flakes, lots of pomegranate molasses. You can add the seeds too while it is in the season. And of course olive oil, some sumak powder for an extra sour taste. If you don't have, you don't have to put it. The juice of half lemon and salt. That's it. Mix everything again and your beautiful and colorful salad is ready. Maybe you can give some ideas what else you can add to this salad, or what would you prefer? I hope you try and enjoy this delicious salad. Let me know in the comment section. And you can share your photos with me from my Instagram account Turkish food recipes. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.